I think Siaya is lagging behind. The survey that was covered over the weekend put Siaya at the bottom of the 47 counties. So we have a governor who has good English but has no development record. I am aware that DCI and EACC has about 10 files that are ready for action. I am calling on government, I am calling on the president himself to save Siaya from theft and wastage of resources. I am calling on the DCI and EACC to move to Siaya to ensure that those files are actionable and that decisions are taken. So if you steal money from the ordinary Siaya residents, you must pay for it. I'm also aware that 2 years ago, there was an investigation going on the county assembly of Siaya of an embezzlement of 300 million. I'm yet to see action at the county assembly. I'm calling on the national government, if we are serious about corruption, let us demonstrate from the county of Siaya that this country will be ridden of corruption. I know the governor over the weekend asked me if I can resign and go for election. I don't have a problem resigning. The problem I have, if him and those who gave the land, Dominion land, they gave away to Rai. If they can return the land to the people of Siaya so that we can develop agriculture, I will resign tomorrow and come and get elected here in game. I don't fear election. So this is, it must go on record that we must get rid of people stealing our resources in Siaya. It is one thing to talk about corruption. It's another thing to ensure that Siaya is cleaned up. If you look at Siaya, you think that even Rasanga did a better job, which is not true. But Rasanga looks as a shining star compared to the current government. I regret having supported him. I totally regret having supported him. I will not make that stupid mistake again. And finally, you cannot choose chief officers, give Alego people 2 chief officers, give Rarieda 2 chief officers, give Kisumo 1 chief officer, give Ugenya 2 positions, and game 0. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. You know, you cannot, it is only in game. We occupy a special position in Siaya. Anybody coming from Siaya County, you cannot go to Kisumu without passing through game. Anybody coming from Ugenya, you must pass through Yala. Anybody coming from Bondo, you must pass through Akala. Anybody coming from Rarieda, you must pass through Akala. Anybody coming from Alego, you must pass through Agai. So we occupy a central and special place in the history of geography, if you look at geography of Siaya County.
Hao wameleta aibu Siaya mzima. Sisi Siaya tulifanya uchaguzi na tukaweka governor, si ndio? Na alikuwa governor ule amesoma tunamuogopa sana, si ndio? Alifika kazini, alifanya kazi gani? Mshawe pata mbolea ile alisema ataleta. Anawapatia watoto basari huyo mtu. Anawalimia vile alikuwa amesema. Anawapatia mbegu vile alikuwa anasema. Kazi yake ni wizi asubuhi, wizi jio. Wizi asubuhi, wizi jio. Pombe anakunywa pombe ya shilingi 100 ngapi moja. Mtu mmoja anakunywa pombe 100,100 siku moja. Lakini watoto hawaendi shule, sivyo? So mimi nataka tuulize, kwa sababu tuko na mheshimiwa wetu hapa Elisha Akuba Odhiambo, na yeye ni mtu anaongea na mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto direct, si ndio? Aite askari yote, si ndio? DCI, Integrity Center yote ikuje hapa Siaya, waangalie huu gavana watoe. Tuko na dual donge nyalo. Gigol jaduongni gitere kuchandego, waweke denge afanyika. Si ndivyo? Huyu mtu aende ajibu maswali, hawezi kuwa anakula pesa ya watu wa Siaya na alafu anakuja hapa game anatukana mheshimiwa wetu. Hiyo inawezekana? Inawezekana? Mnajua MP wake ni nani? MP wa governor ni nani? Ni mtu wa ODM. Aende kwanza atengeneze huko Ugenya. Unasikia? Ugenya ikishakuwa sawa, ashike alafu akuje aongee mambo ya game. Kwa sababu game tuko na MP ule ameshika, si ndio? Na hata hiyo ODM akicheza tutachukua yote tuende na kupa kuwe ni secretary general ya nini? Ya ODM, si ndio? Na wakikataa ile chama yote Akubo atakuja nayo, Akubo lazima atakuwa MP wa game 2027. Wapende wasipe.
I saw a list given to the county assembly by the governor, James Orengo. But what made me wonder was that he recruited everyone from everywhere, but he forgot about the people of game. So I'm not requesting for a sister or a brother to be employed, but I need someone from game so that I know that he believes in regional balance. Otherwise, next time we won't entertain you here in game.